guys, shh, don't tell anyone I ran away from the palace. I'm just trying to avoid getting married.
What is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Today, if you can't tell by the hair, we are being Princess Jasmine. One of my all-time favorite princesses because A, she was a princess the whole damn movie. She didn't need a man to make her one. And she pursued true love. After all, everyone does love a bad boy. I didn't steal an apple, but I'm guilty as charged of that. So I'm gonna do a recreation of not her blue outfit, but her red outfit because that one shook me to my core even as a child. So without further ado, here we go. My DIY Princess Jasmine costume. Let me show you a whole new world. I don't want to get married. I'm gonna run away. Oh, thank God we don't have to get married anymore and we can just do weird stuff like this on the internet as our lifestyle. So anyways, here is our little Princess Jasmine at the market look. So I tried to copy her look verbatim with the browns. Oh, these are just so beautiful. I actually loved wearing them in Dubai. It was like such a gorgeous culture. Anyways, so this is our little Jasmine before outfit. Since Jasmine was always a princess, we got our princess shoes on already because, honey, a princess always has princess shoes. Gold choker, gold earrings, all gold, everything. Oh my God, the Middle East was really just my place. I tried to do my hair Jasmine-y too. So that is that. Oh, Raja, I love you. You're such a good animal to cosplay as anything. You are the king. You should be Sultan. Or I guess I could dress you up as Jafar. I even have my little lamp that I got in Dubai. Hello, please bring me an Aladdin. Aladdin, where are you? Magic carpet ride later? My place. You know what I'm saying? I always say Prince Eric was the hottest Disney prince, but I'm not gonna lie, Aladdin can freaking get it. Anyways. A whole new world. Oh my goodness, it's a boo. I'm ready, let's go. Prince Ali, JK, it's me marrying myself. Hell yeah, bitch. I actually got this ruby ring in Abu Dhabi. It's one of my favorites. So beautiful. Sometimes you just feel trapped. I want to be free to make my own decisions, like what crazy outfit I'm gonna wear next. By the way, I know I usually dress like super scandalous, but let the record show that I very much respect modesty and think it can also be very fine. By the way, this is really reminding me, oh my gosh, if you guys ever get the chance, I know obviously Agrabah is not a real place, but if you ever get a chance to go, the Middle East is one of the most unbelievable places I have ever been in my entire life. Oh, I feel like I'm in Aladdin. The culture is just so rich and beautiful, and it was life-changing. Literally one of the most amazing places I've ever been in my life. 10 out of 10 stars. Can't wait to go back. Beautiful culture, just beautiful. So that is our little before look there, and now I guess it's time to make our actual costume. But before we go, how about we go on a trip to the real markets, aka downtown Los Angeles.
So I went to this cute little store downtown. It has all sorts of like authentic, this is actually an Indian-owned store, but you know, it has kind of the same essence with all the gold and the beautiful fabrics. So I picked out a bunch of pretty little jewelries, reds and golds and all sorts of fun stuff. I also got some ribbon, and of course, you know, I visited my darling Benny's.
Stop! Perfect!
Picked up all the goodies, and that was that.
Alright, this actually looks like I didn't buy too much stuff. I guess, I don't know. Well, we'll see what I'll come up with. But anyways, here are the ingredients for this project. As with all of my projects, we need a base for the costume. So I got this little red bra on Amazon. Fabulous. Cool. I got these crazy cool pants. Oh my God, look at these. I got some matching ribbon. Not sure what I'm gonna do with these, but figured, who knows, could be a good idea to have some. Some cascading tablecloth fabrics again, just like I used in the Little Mermaid costume. So yeah, I just thought that could make it like more glam somehow. So we'll see what we do with that. What really inspired me was this beautiful jewelry. So I got these earrings, so gorgeous. They even have like the cool Middle Eastern kind of shapes on them. So we got those. Some random gold jewelry accessories. Again, don't really know what I'm gonna do with these. We'll see. I got some crystally trims from Benny because duh. Some feet charms. These are gonna be so fire. So we got those. And of course, crowns. I actually ordered this one online, like to be custom made perfect for this, but I actually think I might use this one, so TBD. Let's see how creative we can get here. All right, so those are the ingredients, and well, Let's see what I can come up with to do with them. Just like Aladdin, I'm very resourceful. I'm sure I can think of something.
Okay, so first thing I did was take the bra and we're gonna go ahead and decorate that. So what I'm gonna do is to kind of make it match all the fabric, I'm going to glue this ribbon onto it just like this. So you can see I hot glued that onto it like that. Honestly, this was kind of low-key genius. It looks so cool and way more part of the costume now. So that is what I did there. Then I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it. I'm gonna decorate it with the earrings. So I grabbed the earring, I'm gonna put that there, maybe drape the gold necklace on the front of it like that. So I just hot glued all of that on there, added some extra crystals, and voila, so glittery and beautiful. So for the crown, I actually am gonna take the other earring and literally just kind of like plunk it in there as the extra piece there, so then it looks, well, like that. Pretty groovy. Then I'm going to take some underwear. I'm going to wrap some fabric around that too. So much easier to just buy maroon underwear, but I forgot. So I'm going to have to make my own here. So that is what I did, and then left a little piece out to wrap around as the waist as a belt. I'm going to decorate the underwear too. Going to glue some gold on there, glue some extra crystals, blah, blah. So now we got to make the pants, but plot twist.
Okay, so actually, by the way, I changed my mind. I don't like pants, so we're not going to wear any. We're gonna use this tablecloth instead. Even when the theme of the video is not making a dress out of a tablecloth, that's what we're gonna do. So, here's my idea for this.
So instead of wearing pants, I'm going to wear a skirt because I am violently against pants. No, I just prefer to be more free in a skirt. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and wrap that around my waist, sort of like that. Take the little foot charms and put them on my feet and then put them into some heels. So then it kind of looks like it's part of the shoe, make it festive. For the top, I'm literally just going to take the extra piece of fabric and wrap it around the back and tie it in a big bow. And you will see how that will look in a minute. But when it's all done, you can see it's going to basically look like this. Oh my God, the colors, so spicy and beautiful. Obviously now we're just gonna have a little more fun in our before look and then get transformed into the Princess Jasmine.
Loving this hairstyle, by the way. A serve. Now this is good hair flip hair.
Alright guys, welcome back to Jasmine's hair tutorials. Today, we're gonna be doing something like this, but isn't this? Okay, so for I think this final look, I'm gonna wanna put my hair like higher on top of my head instead of a low one. I want it to be like, boom, Ariana Grande Jasmine. So we're gonna try and do that.
Play Aladdin in the background for inspo here. Put our hair in a high pony.
You make me feel like a dangerous genie. Give our hair a brush here. I know it's a little ratty, but you know, 10,000 years in a lamp will do that to you.
Just straighten that, you know, oh, the glamour of my life. So got that in a nice high pony like this.
Ariana Grande at your service. All right, so you want to see a real Jasmine tutorial here?
Then we're just gonna basically like section it off with little hair ties. So I just kind of, you know, did 1, 2, 3, 4, as many as I felt like, pulling them a little apart to make them puffier until they look like this. Curl the ends under as well to give it a little bit more pizzazz.
Oh, gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. Darling, we love it. Oh, Jafar, I'm ready for you. Oh, your beard is so twisted. You ain't never had a friend like me. Just kidding. Okay, so now we got that. Actually, my normal everyday glam is actually kind of low-key, kind of very Jasmine-y. I already have the winged liner, so I think we're kind of good. Maybe I'll just swap my lip color and that'll be that. Let's get dressed. Yay.
You can see we got it all laying here, all beautiful. Oh my God, the colors are fire. So we're just gonna put this on and well, you know me, dance around and sing and talk to myself. Dun 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 dun, drum roll please. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! Oh my goodness. Here is my Princess Jasmine costume grand finale. You can see I actually swapped out the shoes for red shoes, but this came out so funky.
Now that's a look.
You can see the red, the jewelry, the crown, all of it just came out so cool. You can see a close-up of the bra, the detailing on it, even the underwear and the skirt. It's honestly just such a, you know, as I would say, a look.
Oh, ooh, woo, woo, vadum. This train is so dramatic. I'm gonna start wearing tablecloths all the time. It's such a vibe. Take you wonder by wonder. God, that song can be so sexy if you make it sexy. An endless diamond sky, a whole new chandelier. You're better than a prince anyway. If you wanna be with me, baby, there's a price to pay. I'm a genie in a bottle. You gotta, what is it? Rub me. You gotta rub me the right way. Shout out to the lyricist. Thank you. Oh God. Goodbye monetization, I'll miss you. Fun fact, my mom actually didn't let me listen to Christina Aguilera as a child, and well, look how I turned out. So anyways. Can Jasmine play the harp better than the other princesses? Probably not, but let's try. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank God I'm a princess and I don't need any real talents. So there you have it, you guys. That was my DIY Princess Jasmine costume. Hope you guys enjoyed the little video. Sending much love to all of you, everyone around the world. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, pursue your dreams, be a badass woman, and dress very spicy all the time. On that note, I love you. Kisses till next time. Powerful princess kisses. XO. By the way, I'm filming this. I have guests. It's my friend Mariah's here. My mom is here. You're doing amazing.